Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm Becca, Dara from Abuja Mom. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and just share, comment, let me know what you think. Because if you notice, I do only a part. Either I'm just weaving my hair, Ghana braids, or I'm just doing the simple bun, which I have a video on my channel. So this is like a big deal for me. And I don't know why I'm feeling myself. I don't know why I'm dancing. There's no music, but in my mind, I'm hearing, I'm so. God, am I the only one that doesn't know how to dance any raining dance in Nigeria? Like, the only thing I can do is I know how to twerk and move my bum. I can't do all those normal, all those things everybody used to do, dabbing. As in, my own is just very out of point. As in, it's so annoying, guys. Am I the only one? Please let me know. If you love my earring, which I really love, and I don't know why I'm doing, like I did plastic surgery. If you love my earring, then it's by Oyo accessories, but we don't sell two of the same kind. It's actually my business page, my jewelry page. I also do bags, so if you're interested, then go and check it out on my channel. I don't know why I'm doing my hair like this. My body just fitting me, let me not lie. So today's topic is really kind of momish. Like you already know, I'm a mom, I'm a stay-at-home mom based here in Nigeria. So today I'm just going to be talking about what to expect. I did a video about what to expect delivering in Nigeria, where I talked about all those crazy things Nigerian government hospitals do. So guys, today I'll be talking about depression, weight gain, stretch marks, and I don't know if I should talk about food preferences and all, but I'll just dig into anything that I think is really important. Why am I bending my head? I'm so dramatic and so alarming. So I'm just going to just digging into what I can remember. Like I have two kids, so in my mind, I'm experienced. I don't need to have 10 kids. So you going to start judging me and telling me, Deka, what do you know? So I'm going to just be talking about these things. Weight gain, I want to say gain weight gain, depression, food preferences, stretch marks. So I'll start with depression. So many people don't know, or they know but they don't want to believe that most times after you have your kid, like your baby boy or girl, whatever it is, after you have your baby, you can have baby blues or post baby depression. I don't know what people call it, and it's really real. Like it happens to a lot of people, but just because we are being African Nigerian, we always tend to, as moms, we always tend to just act like it's nothing. I can remember my first child, Gina. I love her so much, but I can remember after having her, I was so depressed. I wasn't happy with her. Like I used to look at her and I'd be like, is it this small thing that made me feel this kind of pain? Like imagine, do you understand? As in, it's really real. So I feel like we should know that it's real, and if you start feeling that way about certain things, I feel like a support system is very important. If you have very close friends, family, or whatever you have, husband that is very really supportive, or that can just hear you rant, or if you don't have, I'm here for you. You can rant to me, you can talk to me. I'm very open to such conversations because I know how it feels. It's not easy. For my second, I was so happy. Hey, my baby. I think maybe because I was already experienced, but for my first, it was really difficult. I was so upset, even though I never really showed it because people were around me and I don't know how they would start looking at me, because I was like, people used to say it was love at first sight. People used to say, when I saw my baby, my heart melted. All those kind of, you see all these movies, you see all these short videos where people are really like saying things, and suddenly you're not feeling that way. You can imagine how annoying it is. I'm sweating, I'm so hot. God, I will not lie, I'm hot. I'm very hot. I can't put on the fan. The AC is not working here. I can't put on the fan because of noise. So anyways, you need a support system basically if you feel that way, and it is very normal. It is very okay. So don't feel like my own nine what. No, what makes it worse is when you don't work on it. It's when you don't try to figure out a way to take care of it. If you start having depression, whatever it is, pain or whatever, just find a support system. If you're shy, talk to your mother, you can talk to your husband, you can talk to your best friends or your friends, your sisters, your aunties, whoever you're comfortable with, but just talk to someone. If it's hard for you, talk to me. I'm really, really serious. You can just DM me, and I'm going to give you my number. We can chat, we can talk about it. It's very simple. So the second one is gaining of weight. I wanted to say gain weight. I don't know why I'm saying gain weight, because I wrote it here, gain weight. I don't know why I'm not saying gain weight. Can you imagine? So I'm feeling my look. Back to the matter. So weight gain. All of us know that this wasn't how I used to be. I used to be slender. Let me call it that way. I used to be slim. Not slim as in bony slim, but I've I've not always been this. I think I'm a size 14 or a size 12, big 12 or something. But I've not always been like that. And it can be difficult, especially when you know how it is. I don't like, let me put it in my own way. For me, what happens to me is food. I will not lie. I'm not going to start saying, but why I eat sometimes is when I'm not happy. I notice that when I'm depressed, like I'm not happy, not really depressed as per depressed, that kind of depression. You know, I feel like depression is extreme, is the extreme case of just being sad. That's what I feel, anyways. So when I'm not happy, I'm sad, I eat. I eat like I eat, I eat, I eat, I eat. Food is, for me, food is a problem for me. Food is what makes me to gain weight. And most times when I eat, I either eat because I like the food too much. Like, you know, there's this period in your life, like as a mom, this period I'm cooking very delicious meals and I'm just going to eat, you know, that kind of thing. What matters is how is package yourself. That's why I tell people it's not about being fat, it's about just packaging. There's some fat that are extreme, obesity and all. But like for me, I've gained weight. Seriously, I've gained weight. If you know me, you know I've gained weight. But then I don't say because I've gained weight, I can't do so, I can't take care of myself, I can't look slick, I can't look good, you know, that kind of thing. Because I see some people to just be like, I'm now fat now, what can I do? What do you mean? What do you, as in my mind, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by I'm not fat? Because I'm not fat is like you've already given up. And you know how society already judges you by, they don't care to know what's up with you, like how are you. They just in their mind, immediately you give birth. Beyonce mode loading, Kim Kardashian mode loading. All the people and everybody is doing how to lose weight videos, which is not bad. I'm not judging anybody, but then it affects your mind. But then, my dear, love yourself. If you see me in real life, people that have seen me in real life know that I'm so hot, as in I'm going to boast, I'm so hot, like you won't even believe I'm a mom. I'm serious, and it's a good thing for me. You might judge me, but it's a good thing for me. If you've seen me, you know I take care of myself. I try to look very good. It makes me really happy, and I feel very very confident when I look good. And now somehow I don't even want to be so slim. I just want to lose maybe those kind of all these Christian mother. I don't want to show you my Christian mother. It's not even that bad. It's not even that bad. But that's really what I even want to, my belly fat. Which to me, waist cincher can do the work, waist trainer can do the work. Tights can, if you have all those high waist tight, all those high waist pants, all those kind, my dear, there's so many things that can help you to look really sleek and ten, as in look good. So don't kill yourself. But if you can lose the weight, it's not a do or die affair. But if you can, my dear, lose it. But don't kill yourself. That's just what I'm trying to say. But just know that weight gain is going to happen. So don't think it's not going to happen. Not for everybody. Some people, they even lose weight. And another thing is, let me put this. When you give birth, the first 2 months you're going to lose weight. Like you're going to lose it. If you can control it, then please do. But if you can't, my dear, enjoy yourself. Chop and go. Don't chop and go. Don't mind me. But you know what I'm trying to say. If you can control it, then just control it anyways. Oh my gosh, this one is wicked. Don't worry. It's just God as our helper. Like we're not killing ourselves as stretch marks. I can remember the night say, and look at me upon my body. People have always called me fat though. I'm not lying, but I don't know how. And now they're still calling me. They even say I'm not fat. I'm big. See how people behave. When I was slim, when I was in university, they tell me I'm fat. They call me that fat girl. Can you imagine? And then I was even slim. Oh. So, anyways, if you, I don't know if you guys can see. See, as in my 2 arms, my waist, then for my second pregnancy, my stomach. But then I cannot come and die. I will not die because of one weight gain. I don't, as in, I cannot, my dear, I cannot die because of stretch mark. I cannot. I cannot keep myself because, my dear, I've tried. I've used the things that they've said cocoa butter. I use cocoa butter normal, Vaseline cocoa butter, even though I like the smell, but then I started using it because they said, ah, be using cocoa butter, it will help you. I started using it. Shea butter. Shea butter is the worst. To me, it's just a scam. To me, all these things, I shan't, or maybe it works for some people. Let me not even judge. It works for some people. Some people, they have, according to them, they see they have creams. But I feel like all those people that do all those, it's mostly all those people that do all those bleaching cream. I'm not judging, but I don't want to mistakenly buy their product and to now help now tone me according to the, they used to say bleach, they say tone. I don't want to tone in that way. If I want to tone, I want my black to be shining, glowing, not, I don't want to change the color to another thing. So my dear, stretch marks might occur, but then figure out the way to, if you don't like me, I like to open my hands, so if you don't like my hand, go and die. But if you don't like to open your hands, you can wear long sleeves, you can wear anything that can cover it so that it will not be showing. That way you will not be feeling bad, because people are going to talk, people are going to, sometimes people are going to see and just say, ah, what's this? Ah, your stretch mark. How did it happen now? What happened? Like, what happened? My dear, anybody that's asking you, either you just keep, to me, I just keep quiet, because if I talk to you, I might say something to you that might sound insulting or insulting. But then I just keep, I'll just be looking at you. I won't even smile. As in I will be like, my face will just tell you that this girl, like, if I slap you, if I slap you. But if you can answer, answer, because some people, they need answering, as in they need one, just as in give them hot warning. And you don't go and be judging people too. It's not after watching now, you can't still be judging people. Leave them, everybody find their ways. You can talk to the person is close to you, you can just advise. But don't go and start making the person feel bad about this. And before you even advise someone, I feel like you should have a solution. You can't come and be telling me, like, what are you doing about this? Please tell me what I can use, and real things. Not gonna, don't gonna be lying that you use this one, use that one. Use real, tell me real things. Some people have claimed that lemon removes the stretch marks, but in my mind, I feel like lemon helps in toning the skin. It makes your skin brighter, so the stretch marks become less visible. That's what I feel. I don't feel like it takes it away, but I just feel like it makes it more less visible. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I think it should be a series. What questions do you want to know about, like pregnancy, childbirth? Please let me know. I want to be answering all the questions, because people see me and ask me, what shampoo should I use for my baby boy's hair? What this one should I do? So I want you guys to be telling me. So I will plan you well. I don't want to be answering baby boy's shampoo when I've not answered childbirth. You understand? I want to be answering it line by line, according to order, as in filling the missing gap. I don't want to do it. I don't want to be jumping. You know, that kind of thing. So send me your questions, wife questions, marriage questions, husband questions, children questions. If it's comfortable for me, I'm going to answer you guys, and I think most of them are going to be comfortable. Don't go and ask me nonsense question. If you ask me, I will not answer. Let me just tell you now. Ask me questions that will be important to everybody. You understand? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to make it short. I hope it's short, and I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, love me, show me love. Follow me on Instagram, Diary of an Abuja Mom, Facebook, Diary of an Abuja Mom, Twitter, Decad's Diary. Just follow me and be spreading the word. Go there for and spread the word. I love you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye.